Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I had created this smoky eye look. If you all have not checked, go and check, you're gonna love it. And now after the makeup it is time for the skincare, and today I'm gonna do skincare and get ready with me together. So let's get started. Guys, I have to tie my hair up, whether it is a skincare or makeup. I really don't like when the hair is falling on the face. And now I'll just pull off my lashes first. Removing the earrings. Feeling so light. And now you all know, if you're following me from a long time, what is this? This is a miracle sponge. It is a clean sponge and it is very easy to remove makeup with this. You just have to wet this sponge and you're good to go. You all can see one swipe and the makeup is off. I had worn so much of makeup from the illuminator to the foundation, then to fix I used a banana powder and so many other things, and it is removing so easily. And guys, now this lipstick is not gonna come off with that sponge or even micellar water. For that I'm using this Wadi lip balm. It is a very amazing lip balm. It comes in many flavors, so do try, and it is most affordable. I think it is just for 50 rupees, but the result what it gives on the dry skin or even on the dry lips is just amazing. You all can see instantly it is removed. It is melted the lipstick so fast, and just one swipe I had removed the lipstick. I completely forgot about the lenses, so first let me remove my lens, and for that I have taken my case. I'm just pulling off my lenses very gently. Here I'm just pouring a lot of solution in it. Most of my makeup is come off with that miracle sponge, but cleaning your skin is very important because it still has little bit of leftover. So for that I have used this foaming face wash from Good Vibes. It is in the variant vanilla, which is really good for the tough makeup or deep cleaning. So I am giving a good gentle massage for about 1 minute. Guys, I highly recommend this foaming face washes from the brand Good Vibes. Please do try one of the variant like neem, according to your skin type, maybe vanilla, lime, orange. There are so many other variants, but do try, you're gonna love it. And now just to tone my face, I am using a few drops of this Himalaya toner. This is a nice toner, very basic, gentle but very good. And now after toning, I am using this moisturizer. It is an Acne Moist moisturizer. It is really nice moisturizer for oily, dry, normal, acne prone skin. Everybody can use this. It instantly brightens your skin, face. You all can see immediately it is giving me that so much of glow. Now after this I am using this Lakme Loose Compact. This is the oldest, but old is gold. I love this compact so much for my everyday use. It has a little bit of coverage in it and perfect for everyday use. Guys, I'm just switching off the ring light and showing you all that you all can see how immediately or instantly it has brightened my face and giving such a nice base. And now to make my eyebrows, I'm using this Nykaa eyebrow palette. I'm done. I need not show you all. I've showed you all many a times. And now for the blush, I'm using this Swiss Beauty blush palette. It is an amazing palette. If you all are looking for an affordable blush palette, you all can try this. It is really beautiful. I have all the palettes of the Swiss Beauty. I think they have 4 or 5 variants and I have all the 5. And now For the eyes, I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara, one of the most beautiful mascara and affordable. Guys, this makeup or this skincare is so basic that everyone can do this, from the teenager to the office going or housewives. Anybody can do this skincare with makeup. It is so nice for every day. I have just changed my dress and I have worn a kurti now. And for the lipstick, I'm using this Wet n Wild liquid matte lipstick. It is in the shade Coral. Good shade for everyday use. I have actually kept this video very basic from the skincare and the makeup, and very affordable, so that each one can do this kind of look on their daily basis. And now I've just applied a small bindi, and this is my final look. My dear viewers, please do give a like, also comment, and if possible also share my channel so that I come up with some more amazing videos. Bye guys.